Hello traders, in this video we are taking a look at the Forex Kwan Smoother Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how a smoothing line appears on the chart, what its slope and position imply about trend direction, and how its baseline behavior helps filter out short-term noise. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so there we have it, and as you can see the Forex Kwan Smoother Indicator plots a single smooth line in a separate sub-window just below the main price charts. The line is designed to filter out random fluctuations and regular movements, creating a cleaner view of underlying direction compared with raw price alone. As you can see, the line comes in two colors, the color-coded line with the red color for bearish direction or bearish movements, and the blue color for bullish direction. So it's pretty easy to use, pretty easy to understand as well. So let's take a look at the settings. So a basic parameter here that's customizable is just the count bars, the number of bars that are included in the indicator's calculations. We can also choose the preferred colors for bullish and bearish conditions, so it stands out properly with our underlying MT4 chart theme. So who's the indicator for? The Forex Kwan Smoother Indicator is suited to traders who want a clean baseline style trend filter that helps them stay focused on the main direction of the markets. It can be useful for both systematic traders who build rules around baselines and discretionary traders who like to visually confirm that price is moving in a consistent direction relative to a smoothed line. The smoother is an analytical tool only and does not place or manage trades on MT4. As with any baseline, its readings are based on historical data and can lag when reversals are sharp, and if the smoothing period is set too high or too low, the line may either react too slowly or become too noisy, so it should be tuned carefully and combined with additional confirmation and risk management. The download link for the Forex Kwan Smoother Indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read more details and compare it with other smoothing tools on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more videos on baseline and noise filter indicators, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.